1, 2, 3.
On the header.
On the header. Yeah.
Welcome back, guys, to my channel. So today we're actually going to attempt to install the exhaust system from front to back. It came in 4 different pieces because I bought 3 different pieces because I bought them separately. One is the mid pipe to the rear exhaust, the headers, and the downpipe. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to get this put on today. So for my exhaust setup, I decided to go with the Megan Racing. From the feedback that's stated on it, it seems to be a good exhaust. I don't know how loud it is. It has a silencer. Remember, this car is not turbo, so I don't really care much for the speed aspect of it. I just want to get a little bit more performance out of it. I do have another vehicle in which I'm going to be building here soon. That's going to be the big build, which may take me a very long time due to finances, but we'll get to that when we get to it. First off, I have, this is the back end of it. It's a 4-inch tip. I believe it's a 2.5 pipe. This is the exhaust, the muffler part. Here goes the mid pipe that connects to the muffler part. I'm going to be unpackaging these up soon. In addition, I still have not opened the downpipe, which again, like I said, it is Megan, so I'll see what I think about it after I install it. The headers are just mounted onto the engine block. They're not bolted down or anything, but I'm going to start from the headers and the downpipe. Then I'll go ahead and start installing the mid pipe and the rear pipe. Alright, so to start the process, I got the headers here, which I bought separately, and again, it's Megan Racing. I have the downpipe in which I have to connect to the headers, and once I got that done, I'm going to go ahead and put it through the engine bay, out the bottom of the chassis of the car, and we'll go ahead and start installing the mid pipe and the back pipe. Got the headers connected down with the downpipe, which has a flex on it, so we're going to go ahead and fish this through the engine bay and bolt it onto the block. Like I said, unfortunately, the pieces didn't match up. The downpipe is a different size from the mid pipe, so it works out. I got another 240 which I got to build. It's fine. I'll just use that exhaust for that, since that's going to be a big build. Here, coming to you one day. I don't know when, no promises. I'm not sure. We'll see. Alright, so unfortunately, crappy ending. It is what it is, but here you go. Looks pretty good. Got the downpipe connected. I guess the next step is going to be just buying another exhaust. Being that this car is not going to be turbo, it doesn't really matter. I don't need a 4-inch, 3-inch exhaust. 2.5, 2-inch is fine. I'll just save the 3-inch exhaust for the 2J that I'm planning to build. So hopefully here soon I'll be able to buy the engine and store it, and that way I can, just collect parts, so that way I can get ready to build it when it's ready. So anyway, looking good. Otherwise, I can't really complain too much. From where the car came from where the car came from until now, there has been nothing but progress. So appreciate you guys taking your time and watching this video. Please like, subscribe, sub. It'll help the channel. Share. It'll be great. That way, if there's anyone I can help, just like myself, I didn't know anything, I'll be more than glad to help. Any questions, just post them down below, and I'll do my best to answer every single one of them. So thanks a lot. Peace out, guys.